डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम देखेंगे कोफैक्टर्स के बारे में। सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन। इफ कैपिटल Mij is the minor of an element Aij, then their cofactor is denoted by capital Aij and defined as capital Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j capital Mij. Capital Mij is the minor of that element. For example, if A is 2 into 2 matrix whose elements A11, A12, A21, A22, then cofactor A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 capital M11. Capital M11 means minor of A11 और माइनर के लिए उस एलिमेंट के रो और कॉलम को डिलीट करना होगा। जैसे M11 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को डिलीट करना होगा। सो फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम को डिलीट करते हैं। सो मुझे मिलेगा A22। सो कैपिटल M11 इज इक्वल टू minus 1 to power 2 A22. Also, if we find cofactor A221 is equal to minus 1 to power 2 plus 1 capital M21. Again, minor of 21 means delete row 2 and column 1. If we delete row 2 and column 1, so we have the element A12. So capital A21 is equal to minus 1 to power 3 A12. Now second example, if A is a 3 into 3 matrix, then elements A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23, A31, A32 and A33. Then cofactor A22, but the definition is Aij is capital Aij is equal to minus 1 to power I plus j. So A22 equal to minus 1 to power 2 plus 2 and here capital M I j. So here 2 because I is 2 and j is 2. So by definition, continue, minus 1 to power 2 plus 2 M22, since minor M22 means delete second row and second column. So if we delete second row and second column, we have four elements A11, A13, A31, A32. So I'm A so A22 is equal to minus 1 2 to power 2 and their determinants. Similarly, if you find other cofactors, then use this formula Aij equal to minus 1 to power I plus j capital M Ij and capital M Ij, delete corresponding rows and column there. Now question number 1, find minors and cofactor of determinant given 2 minus 4 0 3. So first we find minors. First is M11. So for minor we delete their corresponding row and column. So M11 means we delete first first delete first row and first column. So we have only 3. So M11 is 3. Similarly, M12 means delete first row and second column. Delete first row and second column, we have 0. So M12 is 0. Similarly, M21 is minus 4. After delete second row and first column. Second row and first column, we have only minus 4. M22 means delete second row and second column, so we have 2. And cofactors are by definition A11 equal to minus 1 to power 1 plus 1 capital M11. So after simplify, we have cofactor A11 is 3, A12 is 0, A21 is 4 and A22 is 2. Question number 2, find minors and cofactor of determinant 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. First, we find minors. First, M11 means delete first row and first column. After we delete first row and first column, we have delete first row. So first row complete delete and first column we delete. We have 0, 4, 5, minus 7. 0, 4, 5, minus 7. And their determinant is minus 20. And corresponding cofactor is A11 is equal to minus 1, 1 plus 1, minus 1, 1. This is equal to minus 20. Similarly, M12, after delete first row and second column, we have determinant of 6, 4, 1, minus 7. So after solve, we have minus 46. Similarly, cofactors A12 is equal to minus 1 to power 1 plus 2 M12, which is 46. M13 means delete first row and third column. We have 6, 0, 1, 5 and their determinant is 30. And cofactor A13 is equal to minus 1 to power 1 plus 3 M13. Since M13 is 30 and minus 1 to power 1 plus 3 means minus 1 to power 4, which is positive. So 30. M21 is equal to, after delete first row, after delete second row and first column, we have minus 3, 5, 5, minus 7 and their determinant is minus 4. Corresponding cofactor A21 is equal to minus 1 to power 2 plus 1 M21. After solve, we have A21 is 4 and minus of 2 2 is equal to 2, 5, 1, minus 7 and their determinant is minus 19 and corresponding cofactor is 19. and minor m31 is equal to, after delete third row and first column, we have determinant of minus 3 5 0 4, and their determinant is minus 12. Corresponding cofactor is minus 12 also. M32 is equal to determinant of 2 5 6 4. After simplify, their determinant is minus 22, and corresponding cofactor minus 1 to power 3 plus 2 and 3 2. After solve, 22. M33 is equal to determinant of 2 minus 3 6 0. After simplify, we have determinant 18, and corresponding cofactor is 18.